Hello everyone. Today I'm making cheesy potato casserole. So I'm going to make the cheese sauce in a little bit, but of course we're going to start with potatoes. My favorite are the yellow potatoes, so there's more of those, but I also love the purple potatoes, so we'll have some of those in there too. I find those, being a sweet potato, they're starchier, so they hold together better in this casserole. All right, so now we're just going to cut them up. I peeled the yellow potatoes because I don't want to eat the glycoalkaloids that they contain, but I did not peel the purple sweet potatoes because they're all good. And of course, I'm really increasing the nutrition of this dish by using purple potatoes because they're loaded with anthocyanins. You boil them in water until they're slightly underdone. You don't want them fully cooked, you want them underdone a little bit. And I'm going to cook them separately because they may not take the same amount of time to cook. Now, to make the cheese sauce, as always, I'll have the recipe in the description, but we're going to need some chickpeas, apple cider vinegar, nutritional yeast, miso, pepper, and you can add salt if you want. I find the miso has enough salt for me, so then we blend it. I forgot to say, I add some almond milk to help it blend a little better, but really it's just a tiny bit. So the liquid helps it blend. Okay, the cheese sauce is done. That's how thick you want it. And you can have it a little runnier if you want, but this'll work. The potatoes are done cooking. They're slightly underdone, and I've let them cool down. I learned from a Dr. Greger video that if you do that, they develop more resistant starch, which makes it through your small intestine into your colon and is really good for your microbiome. So yay for resistant starch. So I've got the cooked sweet potatoes in here. I like to add some veggies, so I've got some steamed broccoli and frozen peas. Just throw those in there and then incorporate your cheese sauce. All right, so just combine this. All right, so once this is combined, just put it into your casserole dish. And I do like to press it down, but I don't know that it's necessary. All right, now you're ready to put it in the oven at 350 for about half an hour. I'll show it to you once it's done. Okay, here it is. Check it out. Beautiful browning. And it's potatoes with cheesy sauce. How can you go wrong? So I'm just going to taste a little bit. It's really good. I really love the cheesy flavor, the miso and the nutritional yeast, and having it baked kind of intensifies the flavor. This is great on the side of anything. And yeah, I might even have it with some ketchup. I know it's horrible, but I love ketchup. All right, well, I hope you enjoy and have a great day.